Stomach pain strikes when you least expect it, ruining your mood, your plans, and your day. But what if I told you that you already have the perfect cure sitting in your kitchen? In this video, I'll reveal 3 powerful natural remedies to banish stomach pain, fast and effectively. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never see these everyday ingredients the same way again. Hey there! Let's talk about something we've all dealt with, stomach pain. Whether it's that burning sensation after a big meal, painful bloating that leaves you feeling like a balloon, or cramps that make you want to curl up, stomach pain is no joke. And while reaching for over-the-counter pills might seem like the easiest option, today I'm here to show you something even better. I'll walk you through 3 tried and tested home remedies that are 100% natural, easy to prepare, and surprisingly effective. These remedies are backed by science and centuries of traditional use. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel empowered to tackle stomach pain naturally without relying on medicines. Let's get started. 1. Ginger, the ancient cure-all for stomach pain. Our first remedy is ginger, and trust me, this isn't just a spice for your tea or cooking. Ginger has been celebrated for thousands of years as a natural healer. It's packed with a powerful compound called gingerol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and muscle-relaxing properties. Here's how ginger works. It soothes your stomach lining, making it ideal for cramps or that queasy, bloated feeling. It helps with digestion by speeding up the movement of food through your stomach, preventing discomfort after heavy meals. The easiest way to use ginger is to make ginger tea. Take a fresh piece of ginger, about an inch in size, peel it, and grate it. Add it to boiling water and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. If you're feeling adventurous, squeeze in some lemon for an extra kick. Another quick tip. Chewing on a small piece of raw ginger can also provide relief, especially if you're dealing with nausea. Don't underestimate this humble root. It's a game changer for stomach pain. 2. Mint, the cool comfort for cramping stomachs. Next, let's talk about mint, a refreshing herb that does so much more than flavor your chewing gum or desserts. Mint is a natural antispasmodic, which means it can calm down the muscles in your digestive system. The secret is menthol, a compound that relaxes your stomach and provides relief from pain and spasms. When should you use mint? It's perfect for stomach cramps caused by indigestion, bloating after a heavy or greasy meal, general discomfort from overeating or stress. Here's how to use mint as a remedy. Brew a simple mint tea by adding fresh or dried mint leaves to hot water. Let it steep for 5 minutes, strain, and sip slowly. If you're short on time, just chew on a few fresh mint leaves. It works like magic. You can also crush mint leaves and add them to your drinking water for a refreshing and soothing twist throughout the day. Mint doesn't just relieve stomach pain, it also boosts bile flow, which helps your body digest food more efficiently. Think of it as a cooling balm for your upset stomach. 3. Fennel seeds, the tiny seeds, with big benefits. Finally, let's bring out the fennel seeds, a remedy that's often overlooked but incredibly effective. These tiny seeds are loaded with anethol, a compound that reduces bloating, prevents gas, and relaxes your stomach muscles. Fennel is especially helpful if your stomach pain is caused by gas buildup or bloating, indigestion after eating too fast or too much, that tight, heavy feeling in your belly. Here's how you can use fennel seeds. Chew them raw. After a meal, chew half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. They freshen your breath while easing digestion. Make fennel tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in a cup of water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes, then strain and sip the warm tea slowly. The best part about fennel seeds? They not only provide instant relief, but also improve your digestion over time if you use them regularly. They're a tiny but mighty solution for stomach pain. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Ginger is your go-to remedy for reducing inflammation, easing cramps, and speeding up digestion. Mint is the ultimate cooling herb, perfect for calming stomach spasms and boosting digestion. Fennel seeds tackle bloating, gas, and indigestion like a pro. These 3 remedies are simple, effective, and all natural. The best part? You don't have to spend a dime. Just head to your kitchen and start healing your stomach the natural way. Which of these remedies are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss more life-changing health tips and remedies. Share this video with anyone who struggles with stomach pain. It could be exactly what they need. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.